Hello, here's another AQA A-level physics question on circular motion. If you want to answer the question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer C, well done. So a helicopter circles continuously at a constant speed around a horizontal path of diameter 800 meters, taking 5 minutes to complete each orbit of the path. What are the speed and the centripetal acceleration of the helicopter? And we've got various speeds and accelerations. So first of all, let's find out the speed. Well, the velocity of anything is the distance it travels over the time, or the speed I should say is the distance divided by the time. In this particular case it's travelling in a circle, and that's the circumference of a circle is pi d or 2 pi r, and the time it takes is going to be 5 minutes. So let's put some numbers in there. We're told the diameter is 800 meters and we're told the time is 5 minutes. We want to convert that to standard units, so 5 times 60 seconds. Put those numbers into your calculator and you will find that it's 8.4 meters per second. So one of those two. Now the next thing is we need to find the centripetal acceleration. From your data sheet you'll see that acceleration is equal to the velocity squared over the radius. So velocity we've just worked out is 8.4 meters per second squared. The radius is half the diameter, which is 400 meters. Let's clean that up a little bit, and if you put those numbers into your calculator you'll get an answer of 0.18 meters per second squared. So answer C is correct. If that was useful, subscribe, like and share, and watch more of them in the series. Thank you for watching.